The updated knowledge-based machining, or KBM, isn't always accessible in the background database of tools and steps. Let's see how quick it is to add a step and a group of steps from the KBM to the planner, and then send proven feed and speed back to the KBM database. To begin, open the planner, pick Add, set the op categories and types for spot drilling, then pick the half-inch spot drill from the list below, and accept. The half-inch spot drill is now in the planner. Now let's add a drill and tap to the planner in one operation. From the planner, pick Load Steps. With the category and type unchecked, pick Groups, Step Groups. Pick the half-inch 13. In Library Steps, pick the drill, then with the Control key, pick the tap. You can see they're both highlighted. Hit the down arrow key, which is copy selected, then accept. Now those two tools have been added to the current planner. The planner is now ready to create a simple spot drill, drill and tap program. The program is sent to your machine, parts are run, program proven, and with some speed and feed changes, we'll update the KBM with the proven speed and feed. In the planner, pick the spot drill, then edit. Go to the operation page, change the RPM to 600 and the feed to 4 inches per minute, and accept this. Pick Manage, Store Items in Library, Steps, pick the half-inch spot drill from the list above, then the down arrow to copy it to the selected steps panel, then accept and close. The new speed and feed for the half-inch spot drill from the program just proven is now updated in the KBM database.